Hi, it's Mim Jenkinson and I'm so happy that you're watching this video. I'm hoping to show you how you can cut your stickers with your ScanNCut even if you've designed them in Silhouette Studio. I don't have a ScanNCut myself, but I have some fantastic ScanNCut students and members, and my fabulous member Tracy shared with me these steps so that this is how she cuts with her ScanNCut after she's designed in Silhouette. Even if you haven't designed stickers yourself, you can follow these same steps to upload printable sticker sheets into Silhouette Studio and then cut them with your ScanNCut, and you only need the free standard edition of Silhouette. So for example, if you have a completed printable sticker sheet, let's bring it into Silhouette. We'd go to File and then Open and find where you've saved it. So here's mine. Make sure that you're bringing in the PNG with a transparent background. If you need to resize it at all, we can do that up here. Just make sure the size lock is locked, and then I'm going to centralize it into the middle of the page. Now, Silhouette's already added a red cut line around each one, but your ScanNCut won't pick that up. So we need to do two things. We need to make the line black, and we need to also increase the thickness. So I'm going to open up the line style panel on the right, and where we've got thickness here, make it 1 point. And then go to the second tab and make the line black. Now we can print this off, and the line is thick enough around the outside so your ScanNCut will register it. If you're designing your own stickers from scratch, we do exactly the same thing. So let's just do a very basic square here. And I'll give it a colour. Again, I would need to change the line now around the outside edge. So opening the line style panel again, make the thickness 1. And make the colour of the line black, and now your ScanNCut will pick up that black line. If you wanted to add a white offset around the sticker, we can do. I'll just make that cut line transparent though, and I'll change the thickness to 0. And then to add an offset, I'll open the offset panel on the right, click offset, and then choose how big you want that distance to be, maybe 0.1. And now that's the line that we then need to make a thickness of 1 and the colour black. Okay, back to the original stickers. Let's centralise them on the page. You would now print them out, so Control P, follow the steps to print, but make sure you don't have the registration marks on the page. So currently I have no registration marks here. On the page setup panel at the top right in the third tab, that is what registration marks would look like otherwise, and so I think you'd be best to turn them off. Then after you've printed out the sticker sheet, you're going to place the printed sticker sheet onto your ScanNCut cutting mat and then load it into your ScanNCut machine. On the home screen, then click the Scan button, then Direct Cut, and then click on the Scan Machine icon. After your sticker sheet has scanned in, if everything looks good and the sticker lines have been picked up, those black lines, you can then click OK and then click Please Select and Cut. And to kiss cut your stickers out, choose Half Cut, and then you can click Start so your stickers will cut out. Now, as I don't have a ScanNCut machine, I hope that these steps help you. And if you have any other additional tips to help others who are designing in Silhouette software to cut with their ScanNCut, please comment below and share. And thank you so much for watching.